Mama, can I have the order? I've got a lot to do. Working on my back. Got lumps and stuff everywhere all through here.
Has your car insurance gone up recently? You're not alone. Well, did you know that finding a better rate is easier than you think? Compare.com brings car insurance savings to you. Compare your car insurance rates now at compare.com. The whole process takes less than 10 minutes. Drivers can save over $740 a year, and you can check for savings at any time. It's also completely free.
My arms are getting better, but I still have a long way to go on these also. I am working on sagging skin, and I'm trying to tone as I go. So I'm going to be doing a lot of strength training, actually probably more strength training than I'm going to be doing working out on my laptop. I will be doing some walking. Kate says my video may be lagging, so I will be doing some walking on my walking pad, but I will be also doing a lot of strength training because, like I said, I want to work on my back and my arms a whole lot more. I'm going to be using my lifting set, which is this here. Okay, I'll be back. Today I'm going to be doing a lot of exercises as far as toning and just working on my back. So I'm sitting on my couch now and I'm already doing exercises as far as for stiffening and strengthening my legs. And that is the ankle pumps, the leg lifts, also marching in place. These exercises will help with strengthening your legs and also with stiffness in your legs. So I'll be doing these while I'm sitting on the couch here watching TV. And then going to be going into the bedroom, into my office area to exercises off and on. And I'm going to be concentrating mostly on my back. My shoulders, and anything, basically that's going to improve and tone my body. As you'll note, I am starting off slow. I'm not rushing into this. I'm doing my exercises probably 5 to maybe 10 minutes at a time. And I'm just going to add this into a video until the end of the day today. Today is a fasting day. And right now I'm having some coffee, and I do have a little bit of butter in my coffee.